What's up, YouTube? I'm just playing, babe. What's up, YouTube? Say what's up, YouTube.
What it do, YouTube, dude?
So y'all, I'm about to do a DIY photo shoot for my baby. So right now I just packed up some props. I'm gonna show y'all the props. This little thing I got from the Dollar Tree. I got a book, a lunchbox, an apple, and some crayons and stuff like that. I don't know if I'm gonna use that other stuff, but yeah, this all I got right here. So I'm gonna use it to set it up. We're gonna go to the park and we're gonna do the shoot, but we already got him dressed. Look at him, he looking so handsome. Where he go? I think he hiding. Look, booty, he hiding. He looks so handsome though. But y'all will see in a second. I'm gonna show y'all how I do it. So you gonna let them see you? Oh, you look so nice. Look at him. All right, so yeah, you guys. So I'm gonna holler at y'all when we get to the park, and I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna set the whole thing up. Peace out. All right, come over here, Buddha.
Come on, Dad, come over here.
Give me that phone.
No.
Give me that phone.
No.
What?
Okay.
Give it here.
Sit right here, Buddha.
You done.
Why are you trying me?
I'm not trying to give you. You gotta take your phone.
Sit right here.
I don't want to take my photo shoot.
Hold this. Hold it. You better smile. You're not getting no McDonald's. Like, don't hold it in front of your face. Hold it like this. Or you could just hold it next to you. Boy, come on. All right, we gonna move out here by the tree.
Mom, we go get McDonald's.
Hold on, Buddha. Turn the other way. Turn the other way. Stop. Get down. Get down. Turn this way and look like you about to take a picture.
Huh.
You're mean.
If they say you don't like the lunchbox, they go right here by the tree. Come over here. Come on. I know he's gonna give me a hard time.
What do you mean?
Stand right here by the tree. Now we doing his little outfit change, and we about to take some more pictures. I went and got this little board from outside so we can do some more shots, and hopefully we can get done and this turn out pretty good. So let's do it.
No.
Right here.
I want to take the phone.
This last one. Smile. Like this. Smile. Like your mama.
Look, say cheese.
Cheese.
Yeah, there you go. Now bite the apple.
No, bite that up on the floor. Take that down. Hold the apple. Just hold the apple.
Say it again. Get in McDonald's.
Get
Hold
in
your hand.
McDonald's.
Hold the apple.
Just hold the apple.
Yeah, not this.
Get in McDonald's.
There you go.
okay? You good, baby? He didn't feel. Y'all, I'm sweating. I know my hat twisted up, y'all. He is giving me a hard time. But I'm gonna get this done, okay? I'm gonna get this done. This boy just stressed me out, but I'm gonna show y'all how they turned out in the next slide. You guys,
Mom?
Tell me what you think.
Mom, we about to go to the park.
And you can try to do it too, but these kids, whew, baby.
Mom,
Who? Huh?
we about to go to the park.
You ain't got the right shoes on.
You about to go to McDonald's.
You about to go to McDonald's?
Mm,
Huh? You don't want to go to McDonald's?
I want to go to the park and get McDonald's.
Y'all hear this boy? All right, YouTubers. I'ma holler at y'all in a little bit. I'm sweating, y'all. I need some wine. No, I'm just playing, but I'm about to go and I'll show y'all the pictures.